how to set double press side button to quick launch camera on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen, swipe down at the top. Now in the quick settings panel, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down and tap on advanced features. Next, go down and tap on side button. Then at the top here, switch on double press by tapping on the toggle button. Next, select quick launch camera. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now to quickly launch the camera from anywhere on the screen, just double press on the side button, 1, 2, and that will immediately launch the camera. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.